In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tasks in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clear, actionable task so you and your team can stay on top of important work. First, head to your QuickBooks Online dashboard and look for the Create button, usually at the top of the page. Hover your cursor over Create to open the Quick Actions menu. This is the fastest way to start common items, and it includes the option we needed for tasks. From that menu, select Task. This opens a simple form where you'll enter the details. Think of this form as a brief plan: what needs to happen, who's responsible, and when it's due. Start with the task name. Keep it short, specific, and action-oriented so it's easy to scan later. For example, reconcile February bank statement is clearer than bank work. Clear names make it easier to filter and report on tasks down the line. Next, add a description. Use this space to provide context the assignee will need to complete the work without guesswork. Include details like the account, time frame, documents to reference, or any special instructions. If there are important checkpoints or files stored elsewhere, summarize where to find them. The more precise the description, the fewer follow-up questions you'll get. Now choose who to assign the task to. You can assign it to yourself or to a teammate who has access to tasks in your QuickBooks company. Pick the person who will be directly responsible for finishing the work. If you collaborate, you can still note collaborators in the description, but one clear owner helps prevent confusion. Set a due date using the date picker. Pick a realistic deadline that matches your workflows and dependencies. If this task is part of a monthly or quarterly routine, choose a date that aligns with when the needed data is actually available, so the assignee isn't blocked. Select a priority level, from low to urgent. Use these levels consistently across your team. For example, low for nice-to-have tasks, medium for standard work, high for time-sensitive items, and urgent only when immediate attention is necessary. Consistent use of priority helps your team triage quickly. When everything looks good, click Save. Your task is now created and will appear in the task list under the Get Things Done area. From there, you can open it later to review details, track progress, or make updates as needed. That's it. Create, name, describe, assign, date, prioritize, and save. Use clear titles, detailed descriptions, realistic deadlines, and consistent priorities, and your tasks in QuickBooks Online will work hard for you.